What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with another product installation and review. What we're going to go ahead and install today and review is going to be Hanssshow's Model Y carbon fiber mirror cap. Now this one is genuine carbon fiber weave, and it is actually inspired by Tesla's new Juniper Model Y. What makes it a little different, it's simply not just a mirror cap, but it's a mirror cap that has a little design to it, so it is going to be nice looking on the Model Y. The installation itself, very simple. It's just essentially carbon fiber mirror cap that you peel 3M tape and you essentially slap it on your mirror cap, and that is all to it. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead, get right into this so we don't waste any time.
So I have here a side mirror cover made of carbon fiber and a 3M tape underneath. Looks pretty solid, feels pretty solid, and very light. And what I would do next is, before you pre-fit this one, clean it with a microfiber and an alcohol by spraying the alcohol directly to your microfiber. Next is, I would pre-fit it just to make sure there's no factory defect and it fits perfectly. So now that I know it fits perfectly, so this is how I'm gonna prep my tapes. So for this two, I'm gonna remove entirely. Those two are the ones on the top, on the front one. And this one too, on the middle. And for this bottom too, I'm gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna peel it from inside to out. Inside to out. This is gonna be like that later. So I'm gonna peel it like that.
What did you all think of the installation of the mirror caps? As I had mentioned in the beginning, super easy to install, and the look of it, extra sharp in my opinion. The weaving is fantastic. The matte finish of it, it looks fabulous. If your vehicle is going to be outside, make sure that you coat it so that that carbon fiber and its cover itself is going to last you for some time. Now, if you are interested in purchasing this from Hansshow, I will leave a link below in the description so that you can make the purchase. Also, make sure that you use my code FANATIC15 to get a nice healthy discount on the mirror caps. I do want to go ahead and thank current subscribers for checking out another video, and if you are new to the channel, I appreciate you stopping by. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more future content. Once again, thanks for stopping by, checking out this quick video. Until the very next time, this is Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off.